Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I'm going to make a Spanish Fideua with chicken and seafood. So let's begin. So I've got my frying pan here. This is a 30cm one, and I'll start off by adding some olive oil. I'm going to put in about 4 tablespoons. And we'll turn this up, turn it on, then up, and we'll wait for the oil to heat up. Once the oil is hot, or hottish, I'll add in the chicken. Could have been a bit hotter, but it doesn't matter. And I'll also add in some garlic, as much or as less as you like. Same goes with the onion. And the red pepper. And we'll gently brown this off, giving it a mix, a stir every now and then. And I've turned the extractor fan on, and before I forget, I'm going to add a bit of salt. Not too much, because the broth should have salt too. So let's give this the first move about. Turn all the chicken pieces over so that they seal on both sides. And what I'm going to do is turn this down to number 7, medium high. Right, so once this is done, I'm going to add a sprinkle of yellow food colorant, because I haven't got any real saffron. And I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of fried tomato. And let's mix it about a bit. And what I'll do also is add about, first let me turn this right up, and I'm going to add about a glass of white wine, roughly. I'll move it all about. And we'll let it there to boil for about 3 to 5 minutes until the alcohol evaporates. Remember that this is a quick version of the Fideua. If you want to see the proper version cooked in the big, for the paella, then leave a comment below and I'll make a video using the paellera, which is the big frying pan. You've probably seen me use it before to make a paella, even a paella. Make them sometimes too. Okay, once the alcohol has evaporated, you can tell if you give it a whiff. I'll add the noodles. If you haven't got these type of noodles, you can always use spaghetti and snap it in, And we'll give this all a nice mix about. And we'll leave it there for a minute to soak up all the juice. I thought one had fallen down there. So once the minute is over, what I'll do is add the mixed seafood. So I'll just cut this open and I'll add it all in there. And this will slow the boiling process right down. There you go. So just move it out a bit. That one tried to get away. Right. And now we'll top it up all with the fish and seafood broth. I'm going to fill it right up to the top. Remember, I'm using a 30cm pan and it's about 5 centimeters deep. So about 3/4. I'll keep this to make a soup. And I'll wait for this to start boiling. Right, so once this starts to boil, I'll turn the stove down to medium-high and I'll leave it there for about 15 minutes so that the juice evaporates, gets sucked into the noodles and the seafood. Smells good, by the way. So after about 10 minutes, I'll just mix this about. Mix the noodles with the seafood. I hope that you're enjoying this recipe. Let me know in the comments, please. So we'll leave it there until the 20 minutes are up, roughly. So time's up. Let's mix this about. And it's still got a bit of juice, but what I'm going to do is cover it up, fully up, and I'll turn the heat off, just let it finish cooking on this. It's still hot and the juice should go down and it'll be ready to eat. So I'll be back to finish it off. Well, so time's up and this is the result. Delicious seafood with chicken and noodles. Paella style. Just without the rice, but with the noodles. Well, I hope that you enjoyed today's recipe video. I look forward to doing my next one very soon. Thanks for watching and goodbye.